Good morning my dear children. Welcome to online class. This video for class 5th subject general knowledge. My dear children, we have already completed our syllabus. So today we are going to do the revision of chapters 37 to 39. In these chapters we will revise newspapers and magazines, important literary characters and words for places. So let's start the revision.
So let's revise newspaper and magazines. As we all know that newspapers and magazines are the lifelines of the communication system. So in this we have some newspapers: The Times of India, Dainik Bhaskar, Employment News, Bombay Times and Bengal Gazette. So, The Times of India is the oldest existing English newspaper, and Dainik Bhaskar is the largest selling Hindi newspaper. Employment News, from Employment News we are getting news about jobs, and this is the weekly newspaper published by the Government of India in English, Hindi and Urdu. Next one is Bombay Times. This newspaper is the old name of the Times of India. Famous newspaper Times of India's old name is Bombay Times. Bengal Gazette was the first newspaper of India. Now let's discuss about some famous literary characters and their works. Here are some famous literary characters. They are Rudyard Kipling, Frank Baum, Bram Stoker, J.K. Rowling and Ian Fleming. So these are the literary characters, and in the other side you can see their famous works. So in this video I have given the answers, but in the question paper you have to match the question with correct answer. So in this I have given correct names. So these are their works: Mowgli, Dorothy, Dracula, Harry Potter and James Bond. So Mowgli is the work of Rudyard Kipling, Dorothy is the work of Frank Baum, Dracula is the work of Bram Stoker, Harry Potter is the work of J.K. Rowling, James Bond is the work of Ian Fleming. So these are the famous literary characters and their works. Now my dear children, we have some words for particular places. So if suppose for example, where the trains are bought, we say railway station. Like this, we have some particular words for the places. Let's see the places. A place where goods are stored. A place for dispensing medicines. Place for the burial of dead bodies. A place for the treatment of any kind of illness. A place where ships are built or repaired. Answers are: a place where goods are stored, depot, a place for dispensing medicines, dispensary, a place for the burial of dead bodies, cemetery, a place for the treatment of any kind of illness, hospital, a place where ships are built and repaired. Place is shipyard. Now here we have some famous social workers. Children, who are social workers? Social workers are those people who worked for the development of the society or who worked for the welfare of the society. So here we have some famous social workers. Their names are Louise Braille, Florence Nightingale, Henry Dunant, Sir Isaac Pitman, Alfred Binet. So, let's read their contributions. So, Louis Braille is the founder of Braille system, printing and writing system for the blind people. And second one is Florence Nightingale. She is known as the pioneer of modern nursing. Henry Dunant, he is the founder of Red Cross. Sir Isaac Pitman, he is developed system of shorthand. He developed the system of shorthand, Sir Isaac Pitman. Next one is Alfred Binet. He is the inventor of intelligence test. So Alfred Binet is the inventor of intelligence test. So these are the famous social workers. Now here we have some famous personalities who known as the special fathers. So they are Winthrop, Hippocrates, Aristophanes, Sir George Cayley and Edgar Allan. So Winthrop is known as the father of internet. So who is the father of internet? Winthrop is the father of the internet. Next one is Hippocrates. He is known as the father of medicine. So Hippocrates is known as the father of medicine. Next one is Aristophanes. He is known as the father of comedy. So next one is Sir George Cayley. He is known as the father of aviation. So George Cayley is known as the father of aviation. Next one is Edgar Allan. Edgar Allan Poe is known as the father of detective stories. So my dear children, these are the special fathers. So dear children, your home assessment is revise these chapters for revision test. Okay my dear children, thank you. God bless you all.